Imagine transitioning from military service with a powerful tool to further your education, vocational training, or even pursue specialized programs like flight training, all with substantial financial backing. Understanding your eligibility for such benefits is the first step towards unlocking these incredible opportunities. The Montgomery GI Bill, often referred to as MGIB, is an education benefit primarily available to eligible service members and veterans who have honorably served on active duty or in the Selected Reserve, and who meet specific service and contribution requirements. Eligibility for the Montgomery GI Bill actually breaks down into two distinct programs. For active duty service members and veterans, it is known as MGIB Active Duty or Chapter 30. To qualify for this, you typically need to have served a minimum period on active duty, usually 2 years, and received an honorable discharge. You must also have contributed $1,000 to $100 to the program during your first 12 months of service and earned a high school diploma or GED before applying for benefits. The second program is MGIB Selected Reserve, or Chapter 1606. This benefit is for members of the Army, Navy, Air Force, Marine Corps, and Coast Guard Reserves, and the Army and Air National Guard. To be eligible for this, you generally need to incur a 6-year obligation to serve in the Selected Reserve, complete your initial active duty for training, and remains in good standing with your unit. To determine your specific eligibility and the exact amount of benefits you qualify for, the best course of action is to directly contact the Department of Veterans Affairs. Their website, VA.gov, offers an eligibility screening tool and detailed information for both programs. You can also visit your local VA office or consult with a Veterans Benefits Counselor. These experts can review your service history and guide you through the application process for the Montgomery GI Bill or any other veteran education benefits you may be entitled to receive. A key distinction to remember is that the Montgomery GI Bill predates the post-9/11 GI Bill, which has different eligibility criteria and often higher payment rates. While you cannot use both concurrently, understanding the specific service dates and election periods for each program is crucial. Many service members had a one-time opportunity to switch from the Montgomery GI Bill to the post-9/11 GI Bill, but this window has largely closed for new elections, making the details of your service critical to your remaining options. By understanding the specific requirements for the Montgomery GI Bill, whether you served on active duty or in the reserves, you empower yourself to access valuable educational assistance. This benefit can significantly ease the financial burden of pursuing higher education or skill development, allowing you to build a successful civilian career path on the foundation of your dedicated military service.